I just found the best WordPress AI builder that's out there. And it's not just a plugin that you install or a theme, it's the actual system that's going to build the WordPress. You can modify the backend, the front end, and anything that you need to modify. So it's like having every single plugin inside of here built with AI. So it's called Fregio, and they are the experts at the WordPress builder. So instead of using something like Lovable that doesn't understand WordPress, Fregio does. Its main core is understanding WordPress, and it will let you customize every single aspect of your WordPress website. Like I said, including the backend. So let me go ahead and show you what I've built already so you understand the power of Fregio, and then I'm going to show you how to actually build with Fregio. So let's jump over here, and I built two sites, one a landing page and a second one a property management page. So it did everything for me. So let's go ahead and first view the landing page right here. So this is a landing page that I've just built with Fregio. This has a WordPress backend. Yes, I can log into the backend, I can make posts, I can make blog posts, I can modify the backend, everything with their system that is Muse. That is the intelligence of Fregio. Let me show you the property builder now. This is a property that I built right here. Again, backend is with WordPress, so it's super easy for me to add new properties and manage the properties because, as you know, WordPress is super easy to customize and modify. So here we go. We got a property management website that we can go ahead and use right now. Let me go ahead and show you a property. Here's the demo property that I have. It has 2 beds, 2 baths, and square feet. Property details, features and amenities, and the contact system right here. So this is super easy to modify because I'm going to show you the backend now. This is the backend. Let's go ahead and go to this link. I have the login details right here to log into this specific WordPress website that I've just vibe coded. Now let me go ahead and show you the property section from the backend. Let me go ahead and jump over to this website backend. This is WordPress. Remember, I'm going to log in, and this is all customized with Fregio using Muse. So I completely revamped the backend so it doesn't look like WordPress. I made some changes so it looks different. I want people to log in and not think that it's WordPress. So this is the backend. I have my insights, which is a plugin that I also built inside of Fregio. So I got my insights of people who visit the site. I got my posts just like I would see on WordPress, but then I have properties. This is dedicated for properties. So in this case, I can do a quick edit for this property. I can go ahead and edit the whole property, and I'll be able to view this information right here. So the price, the listing, the status, the property type, the address, and see, it's easier to understand than WordPress because I highly customized this on the back end. And this was just done with a few prompts and with a few credits used in Fregio. So I can highly customize this even more with ideas that I have that I could use. So it helps me make this really customized. Now I got all these details that I can customize right here. Now that is for the backend and how easy it is to view and edit from the backend the properties. Now how do I actually build this? Well, let's go ahead and open this up in Muse, and let me show you a few prompts that I sent out here so you understand how easy it is to build these websites. So let me load some prompts that I used earlier. All right, so here's a few prompts earlier that I used, and I improved the images on the front page for the property. I want to make a custom WordPress backend where it's easy for me to locate properties, categories, type, etc. Just a few of these prompts. They're super basic prompts that I used. If you use something even more robust, you're gonna get an even better output than I did. So just to give you an idea, I wrote all these prompts. I have my property website ready to go. And just to give you an idea how many credits I used, this used 38 credits out of 200 that I have in my account. Now with those 38 credits, I built the landing page that you just saw. I built this property management website. I built 2 plugins that are inside this website. So if I go to the plugins section, check this out. I asked it to build these plugins for me. So there's an analytics plugin and there's a verified batch plugin that I created for this purpose. Now be aware that I can also export these plugins to use on other WordPress websites. All I have to do is ask Muse right here to export, and I'll be able to use it somewhere else if needed. Now, when you build websites with Fregio, you got the convenience of having everything here. You can host it, you can build it, you can customize it all straight from Fregio. So it's easy and practical. Yes, you can have custom domains. Just go ahead and add it here, point it with your DNS, and you'll be good to go. You got your security options, your account details, and you can view all the available plans here on Fregio. Check out their pricing plans, link provided in the description. And just to give you an idea, this was done with a $35 plan with 200 credits, and I was able to build these 2 sites just using 38 credits. So the core plan is a fantastic deal to start building out your WordPress website because it's gonna save you a ton of time. You can ask it to fully build it for you and even add the details that you're going to need without having to do things manually, even though you can do it manually, but it's a great option. Plus, you avoid paying for Elementor Pro because you got all the available features that you can just go ahead and ask it to implement for you. So if you like a slider, a pricing section, or whatever, just go ahead and tell Muse to build it for you. So it's easy and practical. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Fregio and kick off your brand new WordPress websites right away. And yes, you can import WordPress websites. And that's a wrap.